This is Linda. It is Friday morning. Happy Friday, family. So I'm sitting out here in my garden. It feels nice. It's beautiful out here. Let me show you my sky. It's beautiful. Um, it's 53 degrees. It's nice. but um, Today I wanted to talk to you all about what seeds we can drop in the month of February. Yeah, February will be here in a couple of days. I'm going to share with you all what seeds we can drop in February. Also, I'm going to share with you all what seeds I'm going to drop. I'm getting this bed ready. This is one of my 100-gallon grow bags. This one, it have blue kale in it and 1,000-head kale in it. You see, she's a big girl over here. She's really tall. Let's see if I can get her. Yeah, she's really tall over there. There's a couple of them over there. I'm going to harvest all of their leaves. I'm going to get them up. Yep. Also, this bed here, this is another 100-gallon grow bag. I'm going to fertilize these bags and have them waiting because I will be dropping onions in them. Yeah, very soon, probably next week or so. Yep. But I'm going to get them fertilized today and with 511 super juice. And we're going to get these beds together and have them waiting for when I drop my onions. So this is orange mint. This is what this is, orange mint. She's been sitting out here. I've just been cleaning her out, getting all these dead limbs off. But listen, this girl want to live, baby. She want to live. So because she want to live, I want her to live. Yeah. So I've been cleaning her out, and I'm going to give her some fertilizer and let her sit in the sun. Yeah. We're going to do that. But right now, let's go inside, and I'm going to share with you what seeds we can drop in the month of February. All right? So these are just some of the vegetables and herbs that we can drop for the month of February. So I got my girl here, OCD-ish chick, Nikki. So Nikki's hanging out with me this morning. I also have Sage Marie. That's Sage. And I'm enjoying my Friday morning, right? So the very first thing I want to start with as far as seeds to start in February is we can drop all our brassicas. Yes, we could drop all our brassicas. Now, here in my zone, I will be dropping my seeds outside. Now, if you live in a colder climate, then listen, you use this time to count your weeks or your days until your last frost. That's when you know when to drop your seeds. But you definitely can drop your seeds indoors. Okay, family? So the very first seeds I start with when I drop my seeds is my kitchen garden. All of the vegetables and herbs that I use for cooking every day, this is what I drop first. So vegetables like onions, yeah, parsley, leeks, definitely. My basils, garlic, chives, dill, all of these vegetables and herbs that I use on a daily basis. Because this is the thing about me also, is that I will drop more seeds of the same vegetables during this entire gardening season. So if you've been with me for a while, then you know I drop a lot of seeds. And this is so I can continuously harvest, and I can harvest a lot of vegetables, dry them up, put them, make a flake out of them, or put them in my freezer. But I will be using all of these vegetables and herbs on a daily. Now, this is oregano. I'm not a fan of oregano, but I'm going to drop oregano because my son asked me to. So this is one of the things. I do have some family members who have purchased seeds for me, so I can drop some for them because they want to have certain vegetables or certain herbs. And yeah, I do it for them. So this is celery. Now I have about 4 or 5 different varieties of celery. Also, with these celeries, I will be dropping more celeriac. She is definitely a first cousin to the celery. I do love that vegetable, and I will be adding celeriac. Not only the bottom of it, but the tops is just like celery. So you can also drop you could drop your beans in February. So Chris from Back to Our Roots Homestead, they really got me into these beans that I love. So these are more of your brassicas. All of your brassicas you can drop. Yeah, Jada gonna be dropping more of these beets. She love them, y'all. So, and more beans. Yeah. So I'm gonna be dropping not only the green beans, I have some purple beans. And of course, those beans. Yeah, that's Jade. And Cheryl and Chris from Back to Our Roots Homestead, if you ever seen them harvest their beans, this is the bean that they grow. They are long, they are healthy, they are beautiful. And I want those beans, y'all. So here we go. It's Jade Beans by Baker Creek. And I just got to have them. So I got these Jade beans. Of course, I have the purple TP. And then I have 2 other beans from the Dollar Tree. Yep. This one. Yeah. Also, the yellow wax bean. They are all going to go in one big container together. Yeah, so they can, just a beautiful arrangement of beans. I love it, y'all. I love it. Also, your carrots. Carrots. It's a great time to drop some carrots. Lettuce, spinach, arugula. Yeah, that's more sage. Here is the arugula. And yeah, y'all, I done fell in love with arugula. Thank you, Cheryl. But I do love it a lot. So I will be growing more arugula. I have some growing out there right now, but yeah, I need more, y'all. I need more. Definitely. So you can definitely drop your potatoes, white potatoes. And in this video, family, we're going to drop it. Now, this is some nasturtiums that I saved from last spring. I'm going to drop them in a container all by themselves. Also, the beautiful Zinnia. Now, I had some of these violet zinnias growing, but that old cold weather came and took her out. But that's okay. We're going to drop some more. And this is a bean that I do love. And this is called Fava Beans, y'all. This is a fava bean. I love this bean. I grew it maybe about 2 springs ago. They are really big plants. They get very tall. They get big beans. And listen, family, I have eaten the fava beans right in the garden because they are really, really good. I really enjoyed them, and they're very easy to grow. Now, I'm going to share with you, I'm going to share with you a dry fava bean and how she looks. This is it. They are very big beans. Yeah, they're really big beans. They're really good too. I like them when they're green and just coming off the plant. They're soft and they're really good. I really enjoy them. And these are my I love these zinnias. This is from the Dollar Tree. These are the zinnias I love the most from the Dollar Tree. And those are cactus zinnias. Yeah. And corn salad. I will be dropping that too, y'all. I will be dropping that. They are really good. So this is just some of the seeds that you can drop in the month of February. Now in the description box, I will have a list of all the vegetables and all the herbs that you can drop in the month of February. I got my girl. We're going to go outside now and I'm going to share with you all. I'm dropping some white potatoes. Y'all ready? Come on. Come on. Hey, family. So I've had these potatoes in my greenhouse for a while. And so I'm just going to put them in this 17-gallon container. This is where they're going to live. Now, this is garlic. We're not going to put that. I brought that out here so I can get her in the ground with other stuff. So really, this is it. You know, I don't know what most people do when they plant potatoes, but this is all I do. I just drop them. Just like that. And potatoes are dropped. Now I'm going to water them in. And that's done. That is done, baby. Oh, it is gorgeous out here today, though. But these are white potatoes. White potatoes. That's done. Yeah. Good evening, family. It is Friday night still. I'm just getting back home. I've been out having a great time. I was out singing, and it was great. But listen, I wanted to stop in just to let you all know how much I appreciate you all stopping by and just checking out the video. Just knowing what you can drop in the month of February. I am excited. So if you don't live in a warmer zone like I do, of course, you know, you could drop your seeds indoors. Protect your babies, right? But you know I'm going for it. I'm going out there, all right? But listen, family, I hope to see you in the next video. Later, y'all.